Perfect. Perfect.
Oh, next week's gonna be fun. There'll be 13 people on vacation next week.
In your school?
Yeah, just our school. There'll be 13 people out. That's half the staff.
Are you hugging Hiccup? Sweetie, look.
Are you flying?
Alright, I admit it. It's pretty cool. Amazing.
Fly, monkey, fly.
Perfect. Perfect.
You're finally